Yeah. Alright, this must be the bag. I know what that is. Hey. Our whole garage is going to be full of blow-up things.
We only have one other thing.
Oh, it's big. It's just like this. Oh, this one's sick. Oh, it's just like that. Alright, so this needs moved, and that needs rolled out.
And then you just need your electrical cord.
Yeah. Didn't plan on it coming out like toward the front of you, but it worked out pretty good. I'll claim that as a one for me. I set it up this way. I meant to go that way, toward the house. It didn't pan out like that, but that's fine. We'll take it. I like it. We're gonna get some water in it, and we'll be right back. Velcro.
What are you two doing down here?
Watch your legs there. Legs.
Got it, Sadie?
I think we need all these. Alright. You got it? Alright, if it's staying, leave it. It's good enough for government work.
Yeah.
Thor's mini hammer. That thing is actually pretty easy to only set up. You only need your electric run out here, and that comes with it. This thing puts all the airs in the tube. It velcros around there. And of course, you got to tie the other end off right there. Got your hose line. Runs with a clear hose that they provide for you. Runs up. Of course, you can velcro every single one of these straps, but it goes fine up there. You velcro it. Goes up to the top. Right there for a little sprayer. And that's it. Pretty cool stuff. Ain't gonna lie. Not a bad idea at all. A little splash and slide. It's real nice. It might take about 2 days to dry off once you get all the water out of it somehow. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it.
You wanna go? You wanna go to the house and you take it, okay?
What are you doing with that thing?
Alright, so we're cooking here. It's the end of the vlog. We got family over and everything for a little bit of Sadie's birthday, a little bit of Christina's birthday, which was on the 29th of May. So we're celebrating that little family cookout here. We got family up there enjoying the stuff. Jim and Brian went to go get me propane because I'm running a little low on propane. We got some wieners, some burgers, and some onions and some. She got a blue tongue. She dying? My dog's got a blue tongue. She might be dying. I'm not sure. Let's find out. I got blue tongue.
She's eating grass.
So like I said, we're celebrating a little bit of Christina's birthday. We got some, you know, some accoutrement out here. I'm looking forward to this stuff. I love this this hot sauce. This is extra hot. Does she have water? Oh gosh, and Jack's in the pool, which is not good. Oh, have mercy. Jack's in the pool. He doesn't like water. He's kind of like a cat. He's about the size of a cat. Now he's all wet. That's what I do, bud. Go on the towel. Dry yourself off, man. Yep, rub all over it. Good deal, buddy. Yep. We don't call him Jack Wagon for nothing. Hey, thank y'all for watching this episode of Almost Outdoors and the setup of the water slide. Everybody's watching me do this. This is awkward. You're watching me, they're watching me. If too many people are watching me, I'm out of here. Peace. Thank y'all for watching. See ya.